While conducting traffic stop, something unexpected happened. Check it out. After driver pulled over, he hit the gas pedal and straight away, troopers activated their lights and initiating a pursuit. Driver's boyfriend fell out of the vehicle and dropping his gun and drugs, he attempted to flee on foot, but he was later caught and arrested. December 5th, 2023, in Miami, Florida, a suspect who had fled from a mental health facility escalated the situation by stealing a van from a car dealership where the keys had been left inside. The chase quickly intensified as the suspect dangerously drove on the wrong side of the road, weaved through traffic, and eventually entered Interstate 95, putting numerous lives at risk.
Southbound, passing Northwest Connector. We're in general lane now. That's successful. Going for another one.
Trooper attempted multiple TVIs, but they were all unsuccessful. And here's footage from helicopter. What do you think? Is there any chance that van driver run away from police? Write down in the comments your opinions.
He's hit him twice now. I think our record is 4 on the pit maneuvers, especially with the van that weighs probably more than the vehicle that's following him right now. But he's going to do it again there. He's got it spun around now. He's completely turned around. They're going to see officers get out of their vehicles if they can. He's rammed them rammed the back of that police car, that trooper's car right there.
And he keeps going.
We're still well and stay with this vehicle until they can get another trooper up here to try to take this into custody. As soon as the way the laws work here is that if he's going on the ramp now. This is going to be the ramp to the 112 expressway here. So we're going to be going westbound on the ramp there. And
So
it appears right now that the two police cars are going to follow, but they're going to follow him by taking the other ramp. He's stopping right here. Let's see what happens right here now. He's come to a stop.
All right, so just
He's
let
gotten
everybody know
out.
this
He's
is a
gotten out
live-
and he's running. He's got his hands up.
Okay,
He's running.
I want to warn everybody, this is a live developing story. Warn everybody that Ralph is going to pull out a little bit in case something
Let's go on the other side,
dangerous
Joe.
happens. He might be jumping over the overpass.
He's
which is
getting
a
down. He's
fall.
getting down because he's got an officer here with the weapons drawn right here, coming up now. All right, they're going to take him into custody. He's given up. He's on the ramp. Two officers now approach.
Okay, so this man does have clothing on, but we did hear reports earlier that this van, he was...
The Florida Highway Patrol relentlessly pursued the suspect after several unsuccessful pit maneuvers. Despite the challenges, they didn't give up. With the crucial assistance of a helicopter, they eventually managed to stop the suspect and take him into custody, bringing the intense chase to an end. On July 29th, 2024, Trooper Trey Smith initiated a traffic stop on a silver Lexus ES 250 due to expired tags and no proof of insurance on file. The driver initially pulled over onto the right shoulder, but as Trooper began his approach, they suddenly took off at a high rate of speed, prompting him to give chase.
Brownie Fair 114.
He just crashed out. Roll over 1316.
Let me see your hands right now! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands right now! Let me see your hands! Get on your stomach! Get on your stomach or I'm about to put you on your stomach! Get your ass up here. I'm about to tase you.
I'm trying. Look, I'm about to.
No, get over here.
On August 1st, 2023, a woman with multiple active warrants attempted to flee from a traffic stop. Definitely not her best idea. Stay tuned to see why this decision led to her downfall.
4300 block 28th Ave. Florida tag Bravo Echo 2 6 Sierra Juliet E2 6SJ Red Audi. Still rolling.
Still rolling 11-10 hours.
Still rolling. 35. Just try to get a pit when traffic clears up.
1102, I'm en route behind you. You're 10 on 80. coming up on the 40th mid. So, Lady, is he clean?
Yeah, it's 10-4. I just conducted a pit on it. They're looking like they're going to bail now.
Corner on the front, gonna put him in.
Let me see your hands! Let me see.
A woman with multiple active warrants attempted to flee from a traffic stop, but her slow speed made it easy for troopers to stop her and arrest her on the spot.
Hands! Let me see your hands! Get on the ground now! Watch crossfire! Watch crossfire! Crossfire! Get on the ground! Get down! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! You're gonna get dog bit! There's a dog in the back of this car. You're gonna get dog bit. On your stomach. Get on the ground now. Come this way, guys. We're good. Go ahead, lay on your stomach.
You just got hit me. I might be going to the hospital.
No, that's not a crash. I mean, that's minimal. I'll sit here. We'll get checked out at the jail. But you fled, so you're being under arrest for fleeing and eluding.
I didn't try to flee.
You did. I lit you up at 43rd Street and 28th Avenue. You drove past a patrol car head on, ran through a stop sign as you did it. Okay, well, you're going to argue that in court. I have a dash cam and a body cam, so have fun arguing that in court. I'm not going to sit here and argue with you.
Check out this intense high-speed pursuit involving the Arkansas State Police chasing down a Dodge Charger.
Louisiana 670 George John Ida. Show me 1037. Passing to 16. He slammed on his brakes and tried to get me to pass, and then he took back off. Speeding back up to 90. Black male driver. Return on that 28.
The police had a tough time stopping this driver as he sped over 130 miles per hour. Like this video and drop a comment if you think the troopers will manage to stop him.
Out of Alexandria, Louisiana.
Took exit 6.
After trooper tried to stop the suspect but failed as he went off the road completely. Suspect was later caught in Louisiana.